My name is Jerzy Wątka. I'm a director of ProtoLAB.
Javier Sánchez Merina, professor from Alicante University in Spain.
Alex, I'm from TU Darmstadt.
Piotr Banowicz, I'm architect, I'm professor from Krakow, Andrzej Frycz-Modrzewski.
We are here in the production hall where the ProtoLAB 2025 is going on. This year workshops have the common topic, which is Japanese kanji ki, which symbolizes or which means a tree, and we want to use this symbol as a growth of our participants, so they grow by collecting new skills, learning how to build things, how to work with materials, but also we use a lot of timber and also paper, which derives from timber. That's why this tree element is very important and a symbol of this year workshops. We have over 50 participants from 5 countries, from Poland, from Sweden, from Austria, from Germany, from Spain. We have also tutors from all over Europe, and those students and participants work on 7 different projects.
Hi, my name is Gosia and I'm in the team of the ProtoLAB house. We are building the house designed by Shigeru Ban, the Japanese architect. The house will be placed in the Manga Museum in Krakow. The main construction of the house is from paper tubes.
So that is a great opportunity for us, for our students, to take a part with such exciting moments like these workshops.
Here we are in the section with our tools and everything that we need for the ProtoLAB workshop.
And we had to build a lot of circle tools, little jigs that help us really realize what they had in mind.
So we say, wow, we have invented a new product. It's not the laminated wood that exists, of course, but the super laminated wood. A composition of many laminated panels that you can do in your house. You don't need a press or nothing, you just only a string and glue and wait.